Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. Today we're going to be looking at using the slide sidebar, which is this area on the left hand side of the screen. From here you're able to insert slides, select them, group them, split them into sections, delete them, move them, duplicate them, whatever it is that you see fit to do. So let's get started. On the slide bar, if I just right click, I can straight away add in a new slide. So quickest way of adding a new slide, or not unless you want to press Control M, that will work as well. Control M. Now I've got two slides here that are the same. They're both blank but they're the same. I want to delete one of them. If I right click that slide, I can then either scroll down to the delete slide, or I can press the delete button on the keyboard. So if I press delete slide, it's done. Now if I were to type in here hello, and that's that. I want to then duplicate that slide. Same thing, on the slide bar, right click on the slide and then press the duplicate button. Now you'll see I have two slides exactly the same. Again, I can go in and delete them from here as well, or duplicate again, I can delete them from here. Now from here I can also choose the layout of the slide, so I can go for like the title slide, title and content, something with a section header, something with a title only, or a two cont box, whatever it is I see fit for this particular slide. You can then also add in new slides by right clicking and pressing new slide again. You can copy and paste slides, you can cut slides out, so it's really helpful, handy if you're moving it from one PowerPoint presentation to another PowerPoint presentation. So oftentimes there are situations where I'll find that I've created a PowerPoint presentation and then I want to copy a slide from that presentation. So instead of me designing or creating it all again, I can just go to open the other PowerPoint, right click and cut or copy on the slide and then paste into the document. So like same here, like if I just press right click on the first slide here, press copy and paste down here, you'll see the paste options, press paste, there we go. So again, I'm just going to delete that for a moment. Now the other thing you can do as well from the sidebar with slides is add sections. You're able to add sections so that you can then split your content up into groups. This is really helpful if you've got a really big presentation and you want to be able to view limited slides. So I can hide that section if I want after I name it. So rename and then just hide it. I can now only see the one slide, which means I'm only working on the one slide. It's not getting in my way, and don't need to worry about anything else until the section I'm finished with is done. The other thing that you can do on the sidebar is move slides. So I can easily drag them into positions wherever I want them. And now if you had, say, half a dozen slides, so let's say I've got two slides there, so I'm going to duplicate both of them. So that's now I've got 4 slides. If you wanted to select all slides, you can select the top one and then hold the shift button and then press the last slide, and now you'll see that all my slides are highlighted. Again, if you want to select multiple slides, so let's say I don't want to select slide number 3, I want to select 1, 2 and 4, press 1, hold the control button and press slide 2 and then slide 4, and you'll now see I've selected all slides. If I press delete, all the slides I've selected have been deleted. Hopefully this helped you today. Please let us know what you thought in the comments below. Until next time, have a good day.